तीन एक्टर साथ में हैं और ट्रायंगल भी है और कितना एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं।
हम तीनों एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं।
नहीं, but that's different ना, that's you're having fun.
Who is most likely to flirt just for fun?
वेदिका
कुछ हुआ है अभी रिसेंटली ऐसा?
नहीं,
but
मैं अभी
personality-
जर्नलिस्ट को पूरा बताने वाली थी.
And we hear a director going, and I'm like, what is going on?
बोल दे यार बेस्ट
नहीं, यही मेरा अवार्ड है. ये मेरा अवार्ड है. The thing that fans don't know about me is I'm actually married.
नहीं
Who is most likely to be the biggest gossip?
We had a scene going on.
Who is most likely to have the most stylish airport looks?
They just keep doing this. I never work with somebody who's
इस प्रोजेक्ट में you will be working with Vedika and Vikrant. What was your first reaction?
I think I was extremely elated.
That biggest secret crush on a celebrity.
वेदिका
out.
Hi guys, this is Aruna Purve and you watching me on Filmy Matra. नेटफ्लिक्स पे बहुत जल्द एक शो रिलीज होने वाली है जो कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग है और उनका नाम है मुसाफिर कैफे और इस वक्त हमारे साथ उनके सारे स्टारकास्ट बैठे हैं. तो लेट्स वेलकम विक्रांत, वेदिका एंड महिमा ऑन फिल्मी मात्रा.
Hello.
हाय हाय अरुणा
ट्रेलर्स देखा, बहुत अमेजिंग. इट्स लाइक
you.
मॉनसून रिलीज परफेक्ट है. जो एज इट इज हम देख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी. एक लव स्टोरी है, तीन एक्टर साथ में है और ट्रायंगल भी है और कितना एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं ये जानने के लिए वी हैव अ सेगमेंट कॉल्ड हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू.
Love it.
Okay.
वाओ.
Let's do it.
Love it.
पर यहाँ पे ना एक मैं आपको पहले डिस्क्लेमर दे दूं, हम तीनों एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं.
तो ये डिफिकल्ट नहीं होगा सेगमेंट आप
बिल्कुल नहीं
लोग के लिए. तो हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू हैव द बिगेस्ट सीक्रेट क्रश ऑन अ सेलिब्रिटी?
वेदिका
I was going to say myself, but चलो ठीक है वेदिका.
हु इज मोस्ट लाइकली टू फ्लर्ट जस्ट फॉर फन?
वेदिका
वेदिका.
वेदिका
आप कुछ कहना चाहोगे?
I'm in agreement.
You agree?
I'm in agreement.
Who is most likely to get caught checking themselves out in the mirror?
महिमा
Me.
महिमा
I was going to say Vikrant.
महिमा
Okay, Mahima.
मैं भी हो सकता हूँ वैसे. I could also be
I
that.
think all
I
of
think
us.
all of us.
All of us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
actors, guys.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to spill tea accidentally?
वेदिका
Really?
I was going to say you.
स्लाइटली
ऐसा कुछ हुआ
फुट इन माउथ सिंड्रोम है इनको.
हाँ है.
कुछ हुआ है अभी रिसेंटली ऐसा जो आप पे ये टैग आ गया है?
नहीं,
but
मैं अभी
personality-
जर्नलिस्ट को पूरा बताने वाली थी हमारी कहानी.
Who is most likely to be the biggest gossip?
biggest gossip.
I think we are all gossips.
हाँ.
थोड़ा. Yeah.
Small gossips, not
Yeah,
big
no,
gossips.
not big. Exactly. Yeah.
Who is most likely to fake being busy to avoid plans?
Really? Okay.
Really?
Me
100%.
yes yes.
क्या था
मैं
ऐसे कौन
करता
सा
हूँ भी
प्लान
वहाँ
आपने
से.
अभी तक अवॉइड किया है?
कई बार तो ऐसा होता है कि प्लान मैं ही बनाता हूँ और फिर जब वो प्लान का मौका आता है तो हम लाइक अरे यार छोड़ जाने दो.
ये वही इंसान है ग्रुप का जो प्लान बनाएगा. अगर बना नहीं है तो फिर ऐसे प्लान बनाओ जो कैंसिल ही हो.
जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं हम ग्रुप पे प्लान बनाते हैं. हम लाइक यार चलो लेट्स डू दिस लेट्स डू. हम लाइक अरे गाइस आई एम बिजी यार अब नहीं हो पाएगा.
Who is most likely to spend 30 minutes choosing the perfect Instagram caption?
I don't think any of us.
None of us I
नहीं.
think.
It doesn't seem like any of us are
नहीं, no,
on social
not.
media.
Who is most likely to say I am on my way while still at home? हंसी आ रही है.
गिल्टी.
Of course you have to be अभी तो.
दोनों के हाथ ऐसे चले गए.
Who is most likely to become
Vedika.
Yeah, she's super sharp. Don't be surprised if she's a leading entrepreneur very soon.
Who?
Yeah.
Who is most likely to forget their dialogues?
All of us actually यार.
नहीं, but सबसे ज्यादा नहीं. It's like
हाँ,
हम तीनों
मतलब-
में I don't think
हाँ,
there is
कोई भी
a.
बोल सकता है. अब भूलता रहता हूँ मैं. कभी हो जाता है.
Who is most likely to ask for one more take?
I think because you've told me about.
Yeah, me.
Who is most likely to be late on set? Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm on my
me.
way. I'm
Me.
on my way. Who is most likely to make everyone laugh during an emotional scene?
Ruchir Aruna director.
Yeah, art director.
Yes, he's art
Actually.
Ruchir
Wow. Yes.
Yeah.
Who is most likely to finish all the snacks in the vanity van?
मुझे लगता है वेदिका. हम तीनों में से. She loves food.
Who is most likely to accidentally reveal spoilers?
यार सारे they just keep doing this.
आप पे ज्यादा वोट आ रहा है.
She's very goofy in life.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Who is most likely to break character while shooting?
I think we're all very
In
Capable.
sync.
really.
Yeah,
मैं तो उल्टा बोलने वाली
नहीं,
हूँ.
मैं भी बोलने
I
वाली
can-
थी. I think we all are pretty sync with our characters. So at least for me, I don't think I lost.
मुझे लगता है कभी मैं ऐसे ही.
नहीं, but that's different, ना. That's you're having fun.
हाँ.
But I'm saying break character. I think all three of us are very like our characters are very sacred to us.
Yeah.
Who's likely to start dancing between takes?
He used to do that. अच्छा shot मिल गया, अच्छा feel आ गया, and Vikrant would suddenly be like,
Even our director Ruchir, he'll go.
आपका फेवरेट डांस स्टेप क्या होता है?
Favorite dance step?
हाँ, मतलब जब भी ऐसे विक्ट्री होता है या फिर यू आर हैप्पी.
टॉम एंड जेरी में जेरी करता था ना जब विक्ट्री डांस जो करता था, just go like this.
but you used to do that one. Do you remember? तुम्हें याद है? तुम ऐसे ऐसे करते थे.
ये ना, हाँ
Yeah.
ऐसे ना
ऐसे
ये.
ऐसे.
Who's most likely to have the most stylish airport looks?
Yeah, amongst the three of
Amongst
us,
the
I
three of
think
us,
yes.
I think Mahima.
Yeah, Mahima.
Whom do you vote?
I think Vedika.
Girl, na.
Huh.
Out.
Lastly, finish the sentence. I can never work with someone who dash 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 dash.
Who's extremely rude. I can never work with that person.
I never work with somebody who's maybe unapproachable.
I don't think I can work with someone who belittles people in the name of humor.
That's a very good one.
My biggest red flag is
Pretense.
I'm a big time overthinker, so I think that's a red flag. हाँ यार,
flag.
मतलब मैं
Come
बहुत
on.
over analyze,
ठीक है.
overthinking करती हूँ. Sometimes I think one needs to just calm down. That's a red flag for me.
Unkind people.
fans don't know that I dash dash dash.
I get very nervous during important scenes or important takes. I get extremely nervous. Yeah, and I give a lot of retakes. And those retakes don't just come कि अरे कर लिया, नहीं, वो उसके लिए बहुत तैयारी लगती है.
Fans don't know that I
She's a foodie.
I cook.
I was actually going to say that I cook because not many people know about it.
That you're into interior designing also.
Yeah.
The funniest thing that happened on set was
It was actually Ruchir dancing, you know.
I
He was in my,
literally, I was gonna
he was
say it
in
had
my
to be
eye line.
Ruchir something.
Yeah. उसको मैं जेरी बोलता हूँ because he looks like Jerry. And I remember एक बहुत ही intense scene चल रहा है, you know, अच्छा चल रहा है, feeling good. You feel like, you know, you're hitting the mark. And उस scene के बीच में there was a very crucial thing and I think he got it. और scene खत्म हुआ नहीं था, बस हो ही रहा था. और वो मेरी eye line में यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रहा है and he goes
Dancing.
I have another
Yes.
incident. We had a scene going on. I'm not going to tell you which one. We were in middle of the take. And I think 5 minute हो गए, हम take के बीच में हैं.
If I can just add, the actors that who were performing in this scene, it was an extremely emotional scene. And,
conversational,
like,
emotional.
Very difficult. Sharanya, who is our writer and showrunner, for her, she was like, this is very precarious, if that's the word I can use, scene for her. Continue.
And then we're very serious. We're into our characters. And somewhere, because neither of us were doing sud, and we hear our director going, and I'm like, what is going on? And then after the take, he comes to us and he's like, I'm not going to cast you all. You guys make me cry. And he was having a moment, and it was so adorable.
sound designer.
Partho sir, he is also come. He's like, Ruchir, you're disturbing the take. मतलब इतना सन्नाटा है सेट पे, एक्टर्स के हार्ट बीट सुनाई दे रहे हैं और बीच में रुचिर का like this.
And it was damn adorable.
What did you used to call him? Jerry.
Yeah.
if I weren't an actor, I would be.
Can't think of anything.
Something in public service.
I actually studied politics and literature. Maybe a writer.
IFS officer.
IFS officer.
My co-star deserve an award for.
Bearing with me. Award for.
Award for. आपको दोनों के लिए बताना है.
No, they deserve all the awards, all the rewards, accolades. They are terrific actors. Sudha and Preeti, they are so good in the show. I can't wait for the world to watch them on the 24th of July. If I can say so, as a co-actor, as a co-producer on Musafir, I think we couldn't have found better Sudha and Preeti.
Chemistry इनका ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है.
क्योंकि शो पे नहीं मिल रहा ना opportunity, तो यहाँ मिल रहा है हमें.
क्या अवार्ड देना चाहोगे दोनों के?
I think an award for bravery for her, because I've seen a lot of strength that she has shown throughout the course of. We unfortunately didn't get to interact too much, but जितना सा हुआ है हम दोनों के बीच, I've seen a path of like discovery on her, and I think that requires a lot of
Thank you.
courage. So I think that award I would give you.
मैं विदिका को एक और अवार्ड दूंगा बाद में.
And you?
बोल दे यार बेस्ट
नहीं, यही मेरा अवार्ड है. ये मेरा अवार्ड है.
बेस्ट डॉटर ग्रैंड-डॉटर अवार्ड. Phenomenal.
Daughter-in-law.
नहीं, डॉटर ग्रैंड-डॉटर, सॉरी, ग्रैंड-डॉटर.
Daughter, यहाँ तो revelation होने वाला था. ये तो शादी सुनाने लगी.
ग्रैंड-डॉटर,
Next question हो जाने वाला था.
The thing that fans don't know about me is I'm actually married.
नहीं.
I'm not.
I think I'm gonna give her the award of being unapologetically herself. I quite like that about her, and like she said, we did not have enough time to interact on set, but whatever little time I'm spending with her, I'm genuinely just getting fond of her. It's the fact that she's so unapologetic.
Thank you.
Yeah. And for Vikrant, I've only said nice things about you.
तुम्हारा भी बाकी है. You have to give her an award.
सुधा प्रीति दे दिया ना मैंने कि
सुधा
you guys-
प्रीति
you
साथ
guys
में
are
दे दिया.
Oh
phenomenal.
yes, yes.
Smartly.
And the strength, I think I want to take this from her. The resilience she has
Yeah.
shown due to physical limitations also. She had a bad foot, she had a ligament tear, and she was there.
She currently has a slip disc.
Yeah, she currently has a slip disc
Like
as
right
we
now?
speak. Yeah.
But this was also important.
Ah.
Yeah, so I'm glad that I'm here, and I
Sure.
also have great people around me who also support me to,
भाई
to
अच्छे
smile
हैं,
through
हम
my
क्या ही
pain. So I'm
देखो
having
तो
a
हम
good time.
साथ साथ हैं. यही हो रहा है.
But no, award for Vikrant is for being a good listener.
Every girl loves this, huh?
Yeah?
Yeah, every girl wants कि कोई listener हो. Lastly, जब पता चला आपको कि इस project में you will be working with Vedika and Vikrant, what was your first reaction? And
I think I was extremely elated.
एक one word में आपको explain करना है, like वो कौन सा
Privilege.
word सामने है?
Privilege. Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, it's an honor and a privilege to be a part of a show like Musafir and to have such wonderful actors around.
Yeah, I felt a lot of gratitude. In fact, right now, like with every passing moment of Musafir Cafe, this gratitude is just becoming bigger and bigger
Touch wood,
and bigger
touch
and
wood,
bigger.
touch wood. Yeah, I was extremely excited because I knew that I'm going to be working with some incredible talent. Couldn't wait to go on set and explore that.
Thank you so much. It was
Thank you,
lovely
Aruna.
conversation
Thank
with
you.
you. And all the best, guys.
Thank you.
for this
Please
project.
watch it
so much.
and
Yes,
let us know what you
yes,
think.
totally. Thank you.
Thank you.